Hello everybody, Bobby here with my Rite Aid haul for the week of June 30th to July 6th of 2024. I hope you guys are having a great day. My day did not go as planned. Everything went wrong. I didn't get any bonus cash back for these transactions when I was supposed to get a lot of bonus cash back. So I'm going to talk about all the different deals that I did and what I was supposed to get back. And I'm going to be contacting customer service tomorrow because this is a lot of money that I lost. So obviously I told you guys that the hot deal of the week is the Monster and Gatorade. When you buy 4 you get $6 in bonus cash back. Obviously I purchased 8, so I was supposed to get back $12 in bonus cash. I didn't get that back, and I spent $30 and I didn't even get that back, and I was actually over. So this is ridiculous. Okay, this is like the IT issue has been going on for now over 2 weeks. Like, this is ridiculous. I don't know. They should be focusing on getting this stuff done because we have to contact customer service trying to get all this fixed. We're doing double work for all this, you know, doing the transactions, planning the scenarios, and then, you know, I have to do the extra work of telling you guys as well in a video that nothing is working, and, you know, everyone's getting frustrated because their bonus cash is expiring. Now today I had bonus cash expiring on June 30th. I had to go regardless, and this is the week that I was thinking, oh, this is such a great week and I'll be able to roll my bonus cash, but nope, that went out the window. So I'm going to talk about the scenarios and stuff. So now, I was trying to work on my bonus cash challenges as well, and that's another big mess. So yeah, I don't know. I was trying to complete my bonus cash challenges today, so I did it in the morning. I know it was not a good time to do the bonus cash challenges, to be honest with you. And yeah, I just, you know, I'm gonna just attempt to finish it whatever I can. And if I lost bonus cash, I lost bonus cash. I mean, it's too late now. And my bonus cash challenges, I have a Dove bonus cash challenge that I just had to spend $1 more to get, so I just purchased that bar. So that should be giving me my bonus cash back. And then the CoverGirl I also purchased because I have a bonus cash challenge. Plus, that also supposed to track for the CoverGirl deal, and I don't have any tracking for the CoverGirl deal as well. So as you can hear in my voice, I am not very happy. Alright, so for the CoverGirl, it was the $6.29. There's a $3 load to car coupon, and I was supposed to have tracking for both the bonus cash challenge and my weekly eye and lip tracking. Okay, so that's the reason I did this deal. Now, I am so mad that, like, I didn't even get anything toward this deal. Like, I paid, what is it? For the Monster, I paid $24, and then adding the Dove at $1.89, and then the CoverGirl at $6.29 minus $3, so $3.29. My subtotal came to $32.18, and my tax was $2.33. My total was $34.51 after tax, and I got back nothing. I was supposed to get back $12 for the Monster and $10 for buying $30 worth of product. So that's supposed to be $22 back. And you know, I mean, this is not that good of a deal anyway, and I'm supposed to get back all my bonus cash challenges to cover the cost of the items, so we'll see how that plays out. Otherwise, this is a big cost. I was just planning on paying what was it, a few dollars plus tax for my Monsters, which it's okay, I'm going to be paying for that. Even the Gatorade, if you want to get that, there is an Ibotta rebate if you're really inclined, and there's a Fetch one. I don't count Fetch in my deals, as you guys know, so that's also available if you would like to do that. So anyway, that's what's going on there. So no bonus cash back, so I'm at a loss of $22 and the bonus cash challenge. Now moving on to the next deal, it's the Monster I picked up again. And then I also picked up 2 of the All May deodorants. So this is on a monthly deal. Buy 2, get $3 in bonus cash back, and I found this out online. So what I did is I price matched the online price. I told the cashier that I would like to have it for $3.49 instead of $4.29 in-store price. So he price modified it based on the online price. He checked it, verified it, and I was able to get both them at $3.49 each. So that's great. So that made my total go over the $30 mark. So $24 plus the $3.49. So that's how I got it to over $30. Alright, so that my subtotal comes to $30.98. My tax was $2.05. My total was $33.03. And I was supposed to get back 10, 12, and 3. That's $25 back. And I didn't get anything back for that. So another fail. And I did use like the email and the circular barcode, and none of them were working, so I don't understand what's going on with that situation. Now, I advise you guys, do not go online and expect you're getting your bonus cash back. I explained it last week too when I was doing the in-store promotion. You're gonna have to spend $40, and then you get your $10 off, and then if you have any additional discounts in there, if you're working on any like buy one get one 50s, you still need to spend more money. So then you have to do that, and then you have to have a subtotal of $30 when you're in the store. and then you can scan the barcode in the store, but the barcode is not working anyway, so you're not going to get any bonus cash back. I don't know what the situation is. I don't know if they're even going to fix it in the next 2 days, and it's very frustrating. I am like not happy right now with the situation at Rite Aid. This is just absolutely astronomically trash. Alright, so moving on from that deal, I was supposed to get $25 back. I lost $33.03 right now. And all these cards that I'm using kind of don't have enough bonus cash on them, so it's kind of frustrating to see a really low bonus cash. Like this one, actually, one of them only shows me having $3.52 on the account. That is I think that's one of the lowest I've ever had. You know, my bonus cash is usually really blessed with high amounts, but now, you know, this is just crazy. I don't know, guys. This is frustrating. Okay, and then my sister's card, she had bonus cash expiring today. I think it was like $2 of bonus cash that was expiring. And I obviously, after doing these 2 transactions, it was a big mess. And if I do another one, it's gonna be hard for me to contact customer service. You know, so I just asked her to pick up whatever she wanted. So she picked up 2 of these Sunbelt Bakery thingies at $1.25 each. So it was $2.50. I'm like, okay, enjoy. On my dime, I guess. So yeah, I don't know. All these cards have something, you know, wrong with them. I just decided to maybe go in the middle of the week or something like that when possibly all the coupons are working. Maybe I should wait until Monday now, but Monday is really hard for me to go out and drive to the store. You know, it's not my day. And, you know, some of the associates that work there, you know, have an issue with me or something. When in reality, I'm not even using coupons. This was all digital, okay? This was like literally all digital. And, you know, they make such a big fuss. And that's what's frustrating. Like, you're old. Like, just do what is asked of you. Like, don't overthink or whatever. You know, it's very irritating. So I'm sorry, I'm on a tangent, so sorry about that. Okay, so yeah, this deal, no good. Nothing is working. It's gone down the toilet. I don't know what's the situation with all of us right now. I mean, I don't know. You guys will probably just skip the whole day at this point, so I'm not posting the barcodes until they work because I don't want to be, you know, one of those like, oh, it doesn't work, blah, blah, blah. You know, why'd you post the barcodes if it doesn't work? You know, like how people talk nowadays here, you know. Oh, God, I'm so frustrated, guys. Okay, so have a great day, everyone. Hopefully, you know, things will work out in the middle of the week and then I can be a little happy. Right now, I'm just holding on. I'm not going to drink any of these right now because I'm not trying to... if I have to return and rebuy, then I can do that as well, but whatever. Alright, so yeah, me contacting customer service on Monday. Hopefully everything works out and then I can enjoy the bonus cash that I have left, and then we'll see what happens in the month of July. I mean, I don't know. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. Make sure to like the video, comment down below what deals you're doing this week and how long you're going to wait to do the deals. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Bye!